Welcome to the special episode of how I am taking trade every day and how I am become a successful day trader. Before going to take any trade, I have a 5 golden rules. I am reading the rules every day in the morning again and again. My first golden rule is don't enter in the trade with tension or urgent. This is called FOMO, fear of missing out. My second golden rule is before taking any trade, first read all the conditions and rules. What is the main reason for taking this trade on behalf of technical analysis? And before going to take any trade, kindly look into where is your stop loss and where is your target. That is most important. Before entering any trade, we need to check where is my stop loss and where is my target. Without knowing stop loss and target, I did not take any trade. Never trade more than 3 times. Usually, I will take only one trade per day. Rarely, I will go for the second trade. After become a professional trader, I will not take my third trade in a day. Especially if my first trade went to stop loss, I will not go for the second trade. Fourth condition is looking for the smallest stop loss. Even though all the technical condition is fulfilled, my stop loss was bigger, I will not go for the trade. I always keep 1% of my less than 1% of my capital as a stop loss, and my risk reward ratio is 1:3. And I will not enter first 5 minutes candle of the day. My fifth and final golden rule is collect all the information before 8:30 a.m. Let us look how I am preparing for the trade every day. First of all, I will open NSE website. Here we can see market close, high and low. After seeing this, I can enter in my Excel. Market close was 16,630.45. After that, market low was 16,470.9. High was 16,694.4. If I enter close, low, high, I have a formula sheet. It will calculate automatically center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR. After that R1, S1, R2 and S2, as well as R3 and S3. I will not consider R3 and S3. After that, I will open my chart in TradingView. I marked all center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR and R1, S1 in the chart. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, R1 and R2 in green, S1 and S2 in red. It will enable automatically if you are using TradingView, but it takes time. If you marked, you can easily find in the first candle itself where is S1 and where is R1, where is R2 and where is S2. It can be easy to decide whether you are going to take a trade at second candle or not. After marking in the chart, I will directly go to the NSE website. First, I will look how the US market closes yesterday. If US closes negative, we can decide our market going to open in negative direction, but it will only 20% works. After that, I will look for a Europe market close. Even though Europe market closes in red or green, it will not affect our market opening because Europe market will react after 1:30 p.m. in our market, and I will look for a Asian market opens. It is very important. If all the Asian market opens in red and US market also in red, we can come a conclusion that our market going to open in negative only. If everything in negative or everything in positive, we can find with the Nifty future how many points it's going to gap down or gap up or it's going to open flat. Here we can Nifty future present trading. It shows now 16,493. Our previous day close was 16,630. It indicates as of now Monday morning our market going to open in gap down. That means around 16,493. It may change in Monday morning also. After that I will check for SGS Nifty. SGS Nifty and Nifty future may be almost the same. If SGS Nifty also showing 16,493, as of now our Monday morning our market going to open in gap down. Once I find where the market going to open, after that I come to the chart. That we found the market going to open in gap down, but our S1 was 16,503, right? 16,503. Okay, S1 16,503. Before verifying investing.com, I will mark all this level in the chart. After that only I am going there. After marking 16,503, I found that our market going to open somewhere around 16,493. That means just below S1. I have some other technical conditions. If market opens below S1, I will not enter. If market opens below S2, definitely I will not take a position. If market opens flat, very flat, that means just near to previous day close, I will enter at the market opening. If market opens below S1 or S2, I just wait for the retracement, because whenever market opens in very gap up, that may be a trap. We need to wait for the retracement. This is how I preparing myself for trading every day. My routine work is first I open my rule sheet and read it every day. After that I will go for NSE website. Here I can see open, close, low, high. I will enter it in my Excel sheet. That will give me pivot points and support and resistance level. I mark the level in my trading chart. After that I will go for investing.com to find how the market going to open. After that I will go for the NSE. If it is a Thursday, I will check for the open interest also. This is how I preparing myself for trading every day.